Okay, so there you go. The fruits are all cut up and prepared. I cleaned the spinach. Um, it took me about a half an hour. It's 9:27 now, so started about at 9 o'clock as soon as I got here from the gym. Well, get it ready to plug up the machine and we'll start making the juice. Okay, I'm pretty sure some of you ladies will take a faster time to prepare, um, the fruits and things. What took me a long time was pitting out the cherries. I had bought some cherries, and I didn't want to mess the machine up, so I took the pits out of the cherries, cut them in half. That's what took the most time, and grating up the carrot peel off of the carrot to make sure it's clean. So here we go. We're getting ready for phase three, where we're gonna start juicing the vegetables, and we're gonna see what it tastes like. I don't know about no spinach, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't really eat all of this roughage, but apparently to a lot of people it tastes good. So maybe it'll be good to me too. Okay, let's try it.